Hey everyone, thanks for checking out the video. Just wanted to share a little bit of what's got done on the MR2 so far. It's idling a lot better, and I've actually taken it for a couple drives already. Just been playing with the auto tune feature on the Mega Squirt. So just check it out. It's offline right now, it's not on, but that's my dash I have so far. I know it's a mess, but I will clean it up. This is just the stuff I've been putting on that I've been wanting to look at. That's the stock one. Actually, I'll start. I got this switch wired up just to power up the ECU for testing, and then eventually I'll find a mounting location for it, or I'll tap it into the ignition. I don't know yet. But anyway, here we go. I'll flip the switch. You'll hear the pump maybe. So this is your stock layout for the Mega Squirt gauges, but I have this guy. So I got just like spark advance, pulse width for the fuel, map, and the barometric pressure, because I do have two map sensors. Air fuel target. Let's see. Yeah, air fuel target and then air fuel gauge. Throttle position, engine speed or RPM, oil pressure, stuff like that. One thing I have noticed though, there is knock that comes up like at all times, and I don't know if that's normal. But here, let me start it for you guys, just so you can hear it.